today we're making these squishy balls. I made a couple. So you get a balloon, then you cut it the top, then you put fluff inside. It takes a little while to put the fluff inside, but yeah. So you gotta stretch it out like this. Kind of hurts my fingers. You might need some help with it, but I can put it in. Blop, blop, blop. See, it's working. Now, I don't think that much would be good, so maybe just that much. It's working. Whoa. Okay, perfect. Guess just get rid of the extras. Oh my god, it's not going in. Oh no. But the next thing we do is get some tape. Or we need tape for this too. So you can always pause the video to get some tape. I'll try getting it somehow. Not working, not working. But if it gets stuck like how mine did, you can just have it stay like that. Because it works good. Maybe I should cut. Don't get the tape too big because it's not gonna work good. There, make it like really small. Perfect. Tape the side like that. And then you draw a little face. Get a pen. You draw a face on it. Oh no, it's not working. Then you draw a face. The face can be however you want. This is how I like doing mine. And then I get a nice pink and I do that with the pink. It's so cute now. Oh, I think that's the best one I did. So cute. Now, I might blow it a little to dry. But this is really hard to make. I had lots of tries to do it. Took me a while. Took me like a day. Well, half a day. Like, it took me like 1 hour or something. Messed up a lot. I don't like to fold this down because I can get stuff out. But maybe I can tape some sides. I don't know. What do you guys think? Then that's how we make one. Then I like yellow. I'm gonna make another one. Like, so hard to make. Cut, 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 cut. You cut like that much. Okay, see? See? Little bit. Oh, it looks like a mouth opening. It's so funny. I really like it. Oh, and this is my first video I made. Ever. So if you watch this one, that is, yeah, it's amazing video. Or if you want, you can write the face on it first. I like doing it after though. It's so hard to open. Finally, get a little bit up. Get some in. Perfect. I think that's enough. Put back in the bag. And just so you know, I have cats. I got them in July in 2024, the July 2024. Yeah, they're really sweet. They're only a couple months old. I think they're 8 months old. And crazy. Oh, this was kind of funny. I like it. Then I'm putting the blush on. Oh, that blush is really good. I think this is one of the best ones. That makes it funny. I did a couple, or lots. I did like 1, 2, 3, 6 or something. I made really small ones though. I'll show you all the ones I made. Check it out! Yeah, that's what made 6. This is a huge one I made. It fits perfectly. And amazing. It's amazing. So this is the first one I made. Big purple one. This is the second one I made. Really tiny and pink. This is the third. Really tiny. This is the fourth. This is the fifth. Oh no, this is the fifth. And this is the sixth. They're so cute. They're really big. No, one all the way. They go everywhere. I don't make them, I try to make them really good shape, but then I don't. Okay, bye everyone. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Bye.